Hey everyone, welcome back to Immortal Solution. If you're looking to shed some pounds and boost your fitness, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the ultimate guide to high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, for weight loss. In just a few minutes you'll learn what HIIT is, why it's so effective, and how to get started. Let's jump right in. So, what exactly is HIIT? High-intensity interval training is a type of workout that alternates between short bursts of intense exercise and periods of lower intensity or rest. This method is designed to push your body hard during the high-intensity phases and allow it to recover during the rest period. For example, you might sprint for 30 seconds followed by a 30-second walk or rest. The alternating intensity helps you burn more calories in less time compared to steady-state cardio, and it keeps your metabolism revved up long after your workout. Now let's talk about why HIIT is such a game changer for weight loss. Here are the top benefits. Efficient calorie burn. HIIT workouts can burn a lot of calories in a short period. You'll also continue to burn calories after your workout due to the afterburn effect. Boosted metabolism. HIIT helps increase your metabolism, which means you'll keep burning calories even after you've finished exercising. Time efficient. You can get an effective workout in as little as 15 to 30 minutes, making HIIT perfect for busy schedules. Getting started with HIIT. Ready to try HIIT for yourself? Here's a quick guide to get started. Warm up for 5 minutes. Start with light cardio and dynamic stretches to prepare your muscles. High-intensity interval for 20 to 30 seconds. Choose an exercise and go all out. This could be burpees, jump squats, or sprints. Low-intensity recovery for 10 to 30 seconds. Follow up with a lower-intensity activity or complete rest to let your body recover. Repeat. Perform this cycle for 15 to 30 minutes based on your fitness level. Cool down for 5 minutes. End with gentle stretching or walking to help your body transition back to its normal state. Tips for success. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of your HIIT workouts. Consistency is key. Aim for 2 to 3 HIIT sessions per week for best results. Listen to your body. Make sure you're pushing yourself but also taking rest when needed to avoid overtraining. Mix it up. Vary your exercises and intervals to keep things interesting and challenge different muscle groups. Hydrate and fuel. Drink plenty of water and eat a balanced diet to support your workouts and recovery. Final, and there you have it, the ultimate guide to high-intensity interval training for weight loss. We hope you found this video helpful and feel ready to incorporate HIIT into your fitness routine. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Got any questions about HIIT or want to share your experiences? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.